Ever tried packing for a family road trip and realized your car just isn't cutting it? Well, you're not alone. Families everywhere are looking for vehicles that can haul kids, gear, groceries, and still have space for comfort. Today, we're counting down the top 10 family vehicles with the most cargo space in 2025. And trust me, you'll want to stick around until number 1 because it might surprise you. Starting at number 10 on our list, the Honda Pilot. The 2025 Honda Pilot offers 18.6 cubic feet of cargo space behind the third row, 48.5 cubic feet behind the second row, and a huge 87 cubic feet when you fold all seats down. That means you can haul strollers, sports gear, or a full grocery run with ease. Honda's smart underfloor storage and wide-opening rear hatch make loading and unloading painless. Transition, but if you're thinking, that's great, but what if I need just a little more? The next vehicle gives you exactly that. At number 9, we have the Ford Expedition. Known for its massive size, the Expedition delivers 20.9 cubic feet behind the third row, 63.6 cubic feet behind the second, and a whopping 104.6 cubic feet with all seats folded flat. Perfect for those big family camping trips or when you need to move half your house. Its boxy shape maximizes usable space, and the power folding seats mean no wrestling with heavy latches. Transition. Of course, if you want that same bring everything feeling but in something more refined, you'll love our next pick. Number 8 on our list is the Chevrolet Suburban. This beast offers 41.5 cubic feet behind the third row, 93.8 cubic feet behind the second, and an incredible 144.7 cubic feet max cargo volume, making it one of the largest SUVs on the market. Families with boats, sports teams, or just a ton of gear will appreciate its cavernous space. Plus, the flat load floor is a dream for organizing luggage. Transition, but if you like big numbers and need even more total room, we're heading into van territory next. Coming in at number 7 are the Kia Carnival and Toyota Sienna tied. Both of these minivans offer incredible practicality. The Carnival provides 40.2 cubic feet behind the third row, 86.9 cubic feet behind the second, and up to 145.1 cubic feet in total. The Sienna is close behind, with 33.5, 75.2, and 101 cubic feet respectively. The Carnival edges ahead in space, while the Sienna adds the bonus of a hybrid powertrain for better fuel economy. Transition. Still, if you prefer an SUV but want cargo numbers that rival minivans, our next one hits the sweet spot. The number 6 spot belongs to the Chevrolet Tahoe, offering 25.5 cubic feet behind the third row, 72.6 cubic feet behind the second, and up to 122.9 cubic feet overall. The Tahoe balances passenger comfort with strong hauling ability. The wide, tall cargo area is perfect for bulkier items, and the adjustable load floor adds flexibility. Transition, but maybe you want something with similar space, but a little more luxury flair. That's where our next contender comes in. For the number 5 position, we have the GMC Yukon XL. Closely related to the Suburban, the Yukon XL offers 41.5 cubic feet behind the third row, 93.8 cubic feet behind the second, and the same 144.7 cubic feet maximum cargo volume. Where it differs is in upscale touches, higher quality materials, advanced tech, and a more premium feel. Transition. Now, if premium comfort isn't your top priority and you want pure practicality, you'll love our next pick. Moving up to number 4, we find the Chrysler Pacifica. This family favorite minivan offers 32.3 cubic feet behind the third row, 87.5 cubic feet behind the second, and a max of 140.5 cubic feet. But the real magic is in Chrysler's stow and go seating, letting you fold the second and third rows flat into the floor in seconds. No removing seats, no hassle, just instant cargo room. Transition. Of course, if you like that clever storage idea but want something even bigger, the top 3 are where things get serious. Our number 3 pick is the Nissan Armada. It offers 16.5 cubic feet behind the third row, 49.9 cubic feet behind the second, and 95.4 cubic feet in total. While the numbers may seem smaller than some, the Armada makes up for it with a high, wide cargo area and a strong towing capacity, perfect for adventurous families. Transition, but if you want a mix of space, comfort, and hybrid efficiency, the runner-up might be your perfect match. In the runner-up position at number 2, we have the Toyota Sequoia. The 2025 Sequoia delivers 22.3 cubic feet behind the third row, 86.9 cubic feet behind the second, and up to 120.1 cubic feet overall. Its hybrid engine offers great fuel economy for its size, and the sliding rear seat system allows you to fine-tune passenger and cargo space. Transition, which brings us to the champion, the ultimate family hauler of 2025. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Chevrolet Suburban High Country. While we've already seen the standard Suburban, the High Country trim takes that massive space and wraps it in luxury. With the same 41.5 divided by 93.8 divided by 144.7 cubic feet configuration, you're getting unmatched volume, plus premium leather seating, top-tier infotainment, and a smoother ride, proving you can have both space and style. So there you have it, the 10 family vehicles with the most cargo space in 2025. Whether you need an SUV, a minivan, or something in between, these models have the room to fit your family's lifestyle. Which one would you choose for your next road trip? Drop your pick in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our latest car rankings.